everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to yet another video with me, Karuna. I hope you all are doing good and thank you for coming back to my channel to watch my videos. It means a lot. Those who are new to my channel, hi, my name is Karuna and I am from India and I live in Canada, and I make videos about all the random things, mostly about my life and what is happening. So as the title of the video says, that today we are going to cook Farah Khan's whole chicken roast, and this is Farah Khan's recipe. Farah Khan, a famous choreographer, Bollywood choreographer, like the iconic choreographer. She has a YouTube channel. I watch and follow her channel very religiously. In her show, she always goes to her celebrity friends' place. They cook for her. She invites some celebrities to her house and she cooks for them. And the main character, of course, apart from Farah Khan, is Celeb, her chef, and they both together cook. And there is comedy element, there is friendliness, there's a lot of discussion about food, which I love a lot. And she always makes this one particular dish called chicken roast, Lokhandwala ka world famous chicken roast. And I always see that chicken and I feel that wow, mujhe bhi chahiye. So in my life, there is no friend like Farah Khan. I am Farah Khan in my life, so I'm gonna cook that dish for myself. Okay. Farah Khan has also shared her chicken roast recipe on her YouTube channel, and we're gonna follow that. Let's go and cook. We talked a lot. Now let's get started. There are not many ingredients required for this recipe. It's very sorted and very simple. But first thing first is our chicken. Chicken. It's still in the fridge. Wait. ये रहा मेरा चिकन. So पहले हम चिकन को इस बोल में निकाल लेंगे. Okay, like nicely. How big is that? I'm gonna wash this nicely. Salt, more haldi, and then I'm going to rub the entire chicken. I literally feel like I'm handling a baby. Oh my god, it's so big. After that, okay, so make sure the chicken is with skin. After that, we are going to make gashes. A bit weird because मैंने कभी पूरी मुर्गी ऐसे मैनेज नहीं की है. Oh my god, I'm scared now. This is how my murgi looks, and look at it. In minutes इसको रखेंगे. Meanwhile, we are going to prep our things. Okay, so now let's talk about all the ingredients. She mentioned we need crushed chilies. So I have crushed chilies, and we have mustard sauce. I don't like mustard sauce at all, but I'm gonna trust her recipe, so I'm using this. Next, salt, of course, and just like her, I have crushed black peppercorns, fresh, and lots of garlic, the most expensive product. Olive oil. Okay, so there are two things which I'm going to use because I want to. That's ginger, because I cannot do without garlic and ginger, especially if I'm cooking non-veg. So I'm going to use ginger, and the second is coriander, but not now, later stage. Nicely washed my hands and garlic as well, and I'm going to chop it finely. I love using pestle, and this is done. Ginger, I'm okay. I'm okay. Half quantity of garlic. Okay, we're gonna mix this nice and well. Now I believe that all the ingredients are well ready with us. Now let's marinate the chicken and jump into the next process. I forgot about lemon. We are also going to use lemon because this chicken is really big. I'm going to use whole lemon. Now we're gonna put gashes on here. Tissue se will tap it dry. I'm cutting it dry. Now what we're going to do is use crushed chilies first. Crushed chilies. Handful of crushed cheese. Salt. She really used a lot quantity of. Wow, smells so good. Achoo! God bless. Okay. I'm turning into a white woman after living in Canada just within 2 years. Sorry. Left hand is not working. Pepper and lots of ginger and garlic. Lemon juice. The best part, masseuse. Feels so good. Marination is the best part. I love marinating. She specifically told that we have to stuff the body of chicken with the masala, so I'm doing that as well inside. So the marination part is done. I'm going to clear all the mess which I have created here, and then I'm going to put this in the pan. Okay. I'm again going to watch her recipe quickly so that I am not missing out anything, because I feel like I'm missing something. Let's check. Safe side. Like I said, I definitely missed one thing, and that is oil. So now I'm going to, that's okay, I'm going to put some oil on the top. So amazing. This smells so amazing. Wow. I am using this patila because isse bada mere paas kuch bhi nahi hai. We're going to use this, and I think this is non-stick, so it's going to cook the chicken very well. Freaking look at that, it looks so good. Okay, so अब इसको हम डाल देंगे. Put it in this. अच्छे से पकना. Okay, sweetie. Now we are using hot water to put it in the chicken. Okay. ज़्यादा पानी नहीं डालना, थोड़ा सा ही डालेंगे. Ooh, I'm spilling. I think this much is enough. Chicken is going to take 30 minutes getting cooked on slow flame. Meanwhile, I made myself a drink, kokum sarbat, and I'm going to sit and relax. Smell amazing. Okay, now it's time to flip the chicken. cooked nicely. Use all this marination and put it inside. Now again, we are going to wait until water evaporates, release it oil, cook in itself. Guys, can you just hear this kirkit noise? Wow, it has cooked so well. Okay, let's see in the oh, look at this. Chicken has left its oil. It's getting nicely roasted now, and you can see this part so nicely cooked. It's done! It's cooked! Oh my freaking god, this chicken is ready. If you can see from here, the masala, this masala tastes so yum. This recipe is total hit. I'm gonna put some this because I like it. I want it. And now I'm gonna taste test. Chicken is ready. As you can see, it looks so amazing. Exactly how it looks in Farah Khan's video. And now it's time to taste. I'm gonna take this part. Wow, it's nicely cooked. So freaking hot. Bang on. Bit spicy, but the tastes and the flavor. Wow. Farah Khan, thank you for this recipe. Thanks for watching my video, guys. I loved this. This turned out so good. You all should also try it at home. Yum, yum, yum. Thank you for watching my channel. I hope you enjoyed watching my video, and I love you so much.